Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to get subscription on Amazon Prime. In order to get subscription on Amazon Prime, so first thing first, you need to check for an internet connection. Now you do not need an application for this procedure. So what you can do is go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in primevideo.com, and this is going to take you to the official web page of primevideo.com. From now onwards, you can start with the subscription. So then to create an account, you need to go ahead and select start your free trial, and after you've done that, you'll be taken to the other interface. So go ahead and tap on create an account, or you can simply sign in with your Amazon account as well. So I'm gonna go with sign in and just type in the information as the following number, and then click the continue button located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap the continue button once again. Ask you to enter in the OTP. If you already have an account, all you have to do is just enter in your OTP. After that, it's going to take you to some sort of statement and all that, and you also need to provide in your credit card details. And once you've done that, for 30 days you'll be able to enjoy a free trial on Amazon Prime. So in this way, you can start your subscription on Amazon Prime. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.